there! Welcome to Lean Balanced Kitchen, and my name is Jen. Today we are going to make this creamy chicken and broccoli salad. It's a very simple, nice summer salad, but the flavor is amazing. We're going to blanch the broccoli. Blanching your greens means that you're just cooking it for a little bit in hot water, and then you're shocking it in cold water, and that stops the cooking process. So you get that really nice bright green, and that means you're still getting all that vitamins from your green vegetables. So this is what I'm mixing the chicken with and the other ingredients that we have for this salad. I also use rotisserie chicken because it's nice, it's easy, you just get it from the store, and then I use the chicken breast, shred it and add it to this salad. We're minimizing the cooking when it's like a hot summer day, so this is really amazing to make. And if you make this, please post a picture in the comments and let me know what you think. And if you have family and friends that need help with home cooking, please share this video. And if you need more recipes, just head on to my website, leanbalancedkitchen.com. So let's go ahead and start. Blanch the broccoli first by placing them in hot water. Once they turn bright green, have a bowl of ice cold water. Then remove the broccoli from the hot water, transfer them over to the ice water. This is what we call shocking when we're stopping the cooking process. Have a colander ready and drain them well. Now use half red onion and chop it. Then use 3 stalks of celery, cut them into strips first and then into smaller dice. I use 1 carrot. I slice it first and then I cut it into thin strips. And then I have about 1.5 cups of shredded rotisserie chicken. Let's put everything together: the broccoli, the chicken, the celery, and the onion, the carrot, mayonnaise, a little bit of honey, Dijon mustard, sriracha, and here I have garlic powder, salt, and dried dill. And I use dried cranberries. Now toss everything well. And now we're ready to serve our creamy chicken and broccoli salad. Alright, so that's really easy to have an amazing salad. That was quick and no fuss on the ingredients. It's readily available. So this is really simple. So you should make this. And if you enjoyed this video, please share. Until then, have a lovely day and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.